Hello kids, welcome back to your animation class. Today's lesson is very interesting. It's one of my favorite because I love to eat and I love to cook. Do you recognize the name of chapter? That is, what is cooking? So first, let's start with this question. What is cooking? Now it could mean, something smells good. Means mama is making some dishes in the kitchen. In simple terms, cooking is the preparation of food. We everyday go into the kitchen, but we do not know about the utensils and tools that are used in cooking. Here is the question, your book. Look at the picture. Color which have dots in them. What do you see? After coloring, the picture you will get are of these utensils. Pan, pot, spatula, tawa, fry pan, pressure cooker, ladle, and again spatula. These are the utensils we used in the kitchen. But और भी कुछ ऐसे ही utensils होते हैं जिसे हम कुकिंग में यूज करते हैं, such as इडली पॉट जिसमें हम इडली बनाते हैं, स्टीमर इसमें हम किसी भी फूड को स्टीम करते हैं. These are measuring cup, a kitchen utensil used for measuring liquid or bulk solid cooking ingredients such as flour and sugar. Saucepan, deep cooking pan with a handle used mostly for cooking sauce. Mixing bowl, इस कंटेनर का सरफेस स्मूथ होता है. स्मूथ होने पर इसका यूज इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मिक्स करने में होता है. Tongs, tongs are used to lift, turn and transfer food. Cutting or chopping board, this is used to protect countertops, hard surface we place food on to be cut. Rolling pin, used to flatten dough. They can also be used to crush foods such as nuts, crackers and cookies into crumbs, means small pieces. Rubber spatula, पैन में जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स स्टिकी होते हैं उन्हें अच्छे से क्लीन करने के लिए इस रबर का यूज होता है, और पैन में ब्रोकन एग के बैटर को फोल्ड करने के लिए भी इसका यूज होता है. Hey kids, do you know what are utensils made of? These utensils are made of stainless steel, glass, cast iron, Teflon, plastic and hard rubber, and aluminium. Aluminium utensils are mostly used in the kitchen. It is most popular because it is in lightweight, attractive and less expensive. Next is stainless steel. It is most popular material used for tools and equipments, but it is more expensive. It is easier to clean. Next is glass utensil. It is used for salad making and dessert, but not practical for top or surface cooking. It's top or surface cooking. It's needed great care to clean them. And last one is a special coating applied inside aluminium or steel pots and pans. It prevents food from sticking to the pan. Now let's know about some equipments. The first one is oven. Its chamber or compartment is used for cooking, baking, heating or drying. The next one is electric mixer. इसका यूज स्टिकी मटेरियल्स को मिक्स करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है, such as curd. Next is refrigerator, where we store food at a cool temperature. Now it's your practice time. The question is, observe the picture carefully and write the utensil's name. Here you have to observe the picture, identify and write the names of utensils. That's it for today. We will meet again in next video. Thanks for watching.